Hello and welcome just to a short video of the Porto Arabia. Come with me. That is the view of outside at the window. So beautiful indeed. This is Porto Arabia, or known as Pala. There's another thing I would like to share with you. This is the gas, the digital life, that is what we call it. If you want to put it off, you just press this one, it's on. Then you select from this one is this one. This on the left right side hand side is for this, and this other one is for the small one, right hand side, far right hand side. Then we have got this one for this bigger one. So if you want to put it on, you just press this one, then you select the one you want to use. I've selected this one, so it means I'm going to add the amount of heat I need. It's already hot. So this is the digital life. I really love it. If you come here, when I was in Egypt, we had a same like this. I asked my prince, my queen, and she was like, she never answered, because some things they don't want you to know. But yeah, the life is free.